Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're diving into InstaForex, exploring its trading platforms, account types, instruments, and everything you need to know to trade smarter. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, let's find out what makes InstaForex stand out in the world of online trading. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. InstaForex, established in 2007, has grown into a global broker trusted by more than 7 million clients worldwide. The company provides access to over 300 trading instruments, giving traders a wide range of opportunities. Clients can trade on the popular MetaTrader platforms, along with a WebTrader, mobile trading application, and MultiTerminal, ensuring flexibility across devices. InstaForex caters to traders seeking diverse market opportunities. The platform provides access to advanced trading tools and educational resources, ensuring both novice and experienced traders are well equipped to navigate the financial markets. Whether you're interested in short-term trading or long-term investing, InstaForex offers the tools and support to help you achieve your trading goals. The broker is licensed and regulated and adheres to MiFID standards within the EU and safeguards funds in segregated accounts. To top it off, they provide multilingual 24/7 customer support, making InstaForex a well-rounded choice for traders across the globe. The broker offers a versatile arsenal of trading instruments through CFD trading, popular among retail traders for its flexibility and low entry barriers. You can access a broad spectrum of markets, including major Forex pairs like the Euro to US dollar, Great British Pound to US dollar, as well as key stock indices such as the DAX 30, Nasdaq 100, UK 100, and more. On top of that, you get exposure to shares of tech giants like Google, Netflix, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook, along with oil and gas contracts and a range of agricultural and energy futures. Traders can also access popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as unique InstaFutures contracts designed for more advanced strategies. This wide variety allows both beginners and professional traders to diversify portfolios, implement different trading strategies, and respond to market opportunities in real time. InstaForex operates through 2 licensed entities to serve its global clientele securely and transparently. Insta Finance Limited, based in the British Virgin Islands, is authorized by the BVI Financial Services Commission, ensuring adherence to international standards of financial conduct. Meanwhile, in Europe, Insta Trading EU is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which aligns with EU directives like MiFID II for investor protection. This dual structure gives clients regulatory oversight, legal accountability, and peace of mind no matter where they trade from. The broker takes the security of its clients seriously, offering a range of protective measures to ensure safe trading. Accounts are protected with 2-factor authentication and SMS verification for withdrawals, while access logs allow traders to monitor login activity from any unusual behavior. On top of that, all client funds are stored in segregated accounts, fully separate from the broker's own assets, adding an extra layer of financial security. Combined, these measures create a reliable and trustworthy trading environment for both beginners and experienced traders. The broker brings a dynamic lineup of bonuses and promotions to energize your trading journey. It all starts with a 30% welcome bonus on every deposit. Simply register a live account, top it up, and apply to claim it. Boost that even further by joining the InstaForex Club, which offers additional deposit bonuses on top of the standard offer. For bigger impact, InstaForex also offers a 100% first deposit bonus, doubling your initial deposit up to certain limits and enabling withdrawal of all trading profits. On top of that, there's a no deposit startup bonus, perfect for getting into trading risk-free, available once after opening a live account. Together, these bonus structures, welcome, club, 100% and no deposit, give traders flexible, powerful ways to boost capital and lower entry barriers. The broker also offers a Forex copy system, which makes copy trading simple and accessible, perfect for beginners or traders looking to diversify. Followers can automatically replicate the trades of successful traders, known as master traders, with a minimum deposit of just $10. You can browse a transparent leaderboard of traders, review their stats like win rate, profitability, risk levels, and choose who to follow. When a trader opens a position, it's automatically mirrored in the follower's account, and commission is deducted only if that trade is profitable, or even waived entirely if the broker covers it. Followers maintain full control over their funds, choosing which currency pairs to copy, adjusting copy ratios, and setting trade size limits. For traders, Forex Copy opens another income stream by sharing their trading and earning commission from followers based on daily fees, per trade charges, or profit-sharing models. All in all, Forex Copy offers a flexible, user-friendly way to learn, earn, and grow. The broker caters to every trader's needs by offering a diverse suite of trading platforms. This includes the trusted MetaTrader 4 platform, renowned for its intuitive interface, sophisticated charting tools, expert advisors, and seamless compatibility with both Windows and Mac, as well as the enhanced MetaTrader 5 platform, which adds multi-market support, additional timeframes, and an expanded technical analysis toolkit. For those preferring not to install software, the broker delivers browser-based flexibility through its WebTrader, available in both MetaTrader 4 and 5 versions, allowing full trading access directly from any web browser. They also offer MultiTerminal for MetaTrader 4, a powerful Windows-only tool for traders managing multiple accounts simultaneously. Completing the suite is MobileTrader, their mobile application available for iOS and Android, which empowers traders to monitor markets, manage positions, and execute trades on the go. With these diverse platforms, InstaForex ensures that traders have the tools they need wherever they are. The broker offers a versatile range of trading accounts to accommodate different trader profiles, starting from just $1. The classic Insta Standard account features fixed spreads between 3 to 7 pips, no commission, leverage up to 1 to 1,000 for deposits under $1,000, and supports trading from 0.1 lots up to 10,000 lots, making it universally stable for traders of all experience levels. For those seeking tighter pricing, the Insta Eureka account provides zero spreads with a modest commission per trade, offering the same lot and leverage flexibility as the standard account. New traders can start even smaller with the Cent Standard or Cent Eureka accounts, denominated in cents and enabling micro-lots trading, which is ideal for testing strategies at minimal risk. These Cent accounts carry over the same terms as their Insta counterparts, but come with a maximum deposit limit of $1,000. The broker's PAM system lets investors earn passively while skilled traders manage their funds. Profits are shared automatically and transparently, with investors receiving a proportional share and traders earning performance-based commissions. Investors can track results, adjust their capital anytime, and benefit from security safeguards that prevent misuse of funds. For traders, it's a way to build a reputation, attract capital, and boost earnings, making PAM a win-win for both sides. The broker's demo account is the perfect way to practice trading in a risk-free environment. It mirrors real market conditions using virtual funds, giving traders the chance to test strategies, explore MetaTrader's features, and build confidence without financial risk. With customizable virtual balances, flexible leverage options, and access to the same tools as live accounts, the demo account is ideal for beginners learning the basics and for experienced traders fine-tuning their strategies. The broker also offers an Islamic or swap-free trading account tailored for traders whose beliefs prohibit interest charges. This account mirrors the conditions of standard or Eureka accounts and retains all the same features, including spreads, execution, and leverage, but does not charge any swap or rollover fees overnight. What you gain is the flexibility to keep positions open indefinitely, with your profits or losses based solely on exchange rate movements. Creating an account with InstaForex is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Trading Account button. The next step would be to fill out and submit your personal information in order to open your live trading account. or you can simply open a demo account. You will be required to verify your personal information in order to start trading with a live account. The next step after choosing and opening either a live account or a demo account would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with InstaForex. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of InstaForex's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the trading chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators that you can use to customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's platforms, InstaForex provides a wide variety of helpful educational content, such as video tutorials. You can also find a variety of helpful educational content online to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Managing funds with InstaForex is designed to be seamless and efficient. You can deposit using a variety of methods, including Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, Neteller, Payco, bank wire transfers, cryptocurrencies, and even local online transfers, many of which are processed instantly or within just minutes, and importantly carry no fees from the broker's side. Bank card deposits typically arrive in 24 hours, while local bank transfers can take from 1 to 7 hours or up to a couple of days, depending on the region. Withdrawals follow a similar path as long as they are made from the same payment method and currency originally used to deposit. This helps keep the process clean and secure. The processing time for withdrawals average under 4 hours, though in some cases it may take up to 1 to 3 business days, or even longer depending on the payment method or bank processing times. For high-volume users, InstaForex offers 1 free withdrawal per month, with standard withdrawal fees waived for that transaction. InstaForex's funding system is flexible, fast, and designed with user convenience in mind. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their free online course covers 16 lessons, including topics like MetaTrader 4 usage, technical and fundamental analysis, chart patterns, risk management, and trading psychology. Accessible to anyone with a registered account, this course is ideal for beginners seeking structured learning or for those who prefer visual learning. InstaForex provides a library of video tutorials on topics such as platform setups, order placement, and using indicators. These tutorials are available on both desktop and mobile devices, making learning convenient. Additionally, Forexpedia, InstaForex's dedicated education portal, offers a wealth of articles and resources to enhance financial literacy and trading skills. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, their educational resources are designed to help you succeed in the world of trading. The broker also equips traders with a robust suite of real-time market insights to stay ahead of the curve. Their Forex Analytics section offers daily updates from seasoned analysts, covering major currency pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Whether you're into technical analysis, fundamental insights, or market forecasts, there's something for every trader. For those who prefer a visual approach, InstaForex TV provides video reviews and interviews, breaking down complex market movements into digestible content. Additionally, the economic calendar keeps you informed about upcoming events that could impact the markets, while the Trading Sessions tool helps you track optimal trading hours across different time zones. With these resources, InstaForex ensures you're well equipped to navigate the dynamic world of trading. Over the many years of operation, InstaForex has garnered over 50 prestigious awards, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the financial services industry. Recent accolades include the Best Mobile App at the 2024 Forex Traders Summit in Dubai. Additionally, InstaForex was recognized as one of the top 100 trusted financial institutions of 2024, affirming its reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. Other notable honors encompass the Best Forex Broker of 2022 by International Investor Magazine, the Best Crypto Broker in 2022 by Forexing.com, and the Best Customer Service Broker in 2022 by AllForexBonus.com. These awards highlight InstaForex's continuous efforts to enhance its services and maintain high standards in the global financial markets. Overall, InstaForex stands out as a prominent global broker offering a comprehensive suite of services tailored to traders of all levels. Established in 2007, the company has expanded its reach to over 7 million clients worldwide, providing access to a diverse range of financial instruments. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts to cater to both novice and experienced traders. These accounts provide flexible leverage options, competitive spreads, and access to advanced trading platforms, ensuring a seamless trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices. The broker is committed to regulatory compliance, operating under the oversight of the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. This adherence to regulatory standards ensures a secure trading environment for its clients. The broker's dedication to client education is evident through its extensive educational resources, including online courses, video tutorials, and webinars. These materials are designed to equip traders with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex's commitment to excellence is further demonstrated by its industry awards, recognizing the company's innovation, customer service, and technological advancements in the trading sector. So whether you're a beginner looking to enter the world of online trading or an experienced trader seeking a reliable platform, InstaForex offers the tools, resources, and support to help you along your trading journey. And that is our overview of InstaForex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.